another Alaska State Fair podcast, and I'm with Joy with Brad's Reptile World, right? And who do we have here?
This is a tokay gecko, a non-petting animal. They have a great set of teeth and are perfectly capable of doing me some damage. That's why we don't bring him out for petting like we do the other animals here at the exhibit.
Yeah, I think he's eyeing me real closely.
I think he thinks you look like a tasty little cockroach, but no, I think he's confused. I don't think he thinks you're a cockroach.
I've been called worse things.
Here I have my lap is an American alligator, and actually this alligator has been all over Alaska. This alligator's probably been to more villages in Alaska than most Alaskans.
We have many cool species here. We have tortoises, parrots, alligators, and even this giant pixie frog. This is a frog from Africa, and this is just a young individual. Actually, these guys can get to the size of a dinner plate.
This reptile exhibit's pretty cool.
This is awesome.
I saw the snapping turtles. It was cool.
I think the reptiles are pretty cool.